We in the lab where the monsters at. Tardigrade,
Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's back in the hospital, and hopefully she's okay. So I got a package from
QiYi.com.
and I'm going to show it to you. I want to open it and to see what it is. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, yes, I like Qiyi Toys, so I got this one. It's the M Pro edition. The ones are in this nice plastic case. QiYi M Pro Pyraminx Pioneer UV. Let's check it out. Nice. Whoa, it feels good. I like the way UV feels. First turns okay. By the look of it, it looks like my gang. Looks like my gang, almost identical. Except for it doesn't have the honeycomb, it just has stripes. I don't know if you can see that. This definitely needs some lube in it. I'm going to start over. I'm going to start over. I'm going to start over. Alright. So what do I have here? Two solid bar ones, yep. And go. And then that goes that way, that way, that way, and that way. So it wasn't too bad, but I can feel the scratchiness to it. So it definitely needs some lube. But what was it? How much did this cost? It was $14.99. I think for a $14.99 Pyramix that has UV. It's I think once you get the lube in there, maybe you can even loosen it up. Let me see. You might have to pop the top. Ooh, look at that. It has the screw tension, and then it has another tension. Alright, so this is how to solve a Pyramix. Don't need that right now. And this is the tension card. And it has magnets. You see the magnets around there? Not too hard to pop in. Probably not too hard to pop out either. So I wouldn't want to. Yeah, so they got magnets on. Let's see how the magnets feel. It's too tight, so I don't really feel the magnets. Let me see. Yeah, if I would loosen it up, maybe it'll go click, click. But I don't really feel it. But the UV is nice. I love their logo. Very clean. It's inside the UV, so you can't feel it. And if I can put some lube in it, I think it'd be good. For $14.99, I think it's a good buy. I think it's a good buy. So I'm gonna give this a 5 for the price. $14.99, 5 out of 5. If it was out of 10, it'd be a 9 out of 10. But look at it. Look at the UV. Do you see a difference? No. It does feel a tad better over here, but it depends on what you think is better. Yeah, I like it. So I can use this as my warm-up cube. Because I was going to buy another gang one. I was like, I don't know how much it cost. I think it was $44. And I was thinking, no, maybe not. I just do it. And now that I have this, I can use this as my practice and use that as my main. So yeah. So out of 10, 9 out of 10. It's not perfect. Out of 5, I'm going to say 5 out of 5. Especially for the price. Especially for the price. $14.99. Yeah. For UV, yeah, I think it's good. What else I have? Ooh. Comes in this box. Interesting box, I think. Oh, this is why I got this one. I wanted to see, yeah, it's sticker. So I wanted to see how good it was, and then I can see it. You can hear the springs, but that's okay. Because it moves pretty good. Okay. I don't like the little sticker logos. I hate sticker logos. It's a Yuxin, Y-U-X-I-N. I don't know how to pronounce that. I apologize right now. Yuxin Little Magic Pyramix Black. That's how I know it is, because it's black. $6.99. I like the look of this one. Look at it. I like the original Rubik's Cube. Okay, I might not look it, but I was born in the 60s. The Rubik's Cube came out worldwide in 1980. I was 12 years old, and I was fascinated by the Rubik's Cube. So I like the black with the stickers. I just like it. So I'm glad I got... I like the way it turns, really. You hear it snapping. I like that snap. But I think I hear the springs. I'm not sure. So I like this one. So for the price of $6.99, and if you're like you want one but you can't afford the $14.99 one or something more expensive, yeah, why not? You buy one of these and you practice on it. And if you like it and you want to go to tournaments, you can still use this one. Or if you want to advance, I'm going to tell you right now. When I got my gang, my times improved significantly. Now I was still learning, so it could have been a combination of me learning, practicing, but this helped because I don't lock up as much as I did with the cheapos I was using. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with cheapos. And I was using this one too, and I like this one, the carbon fiber one. This one I got for Christmas, and I like the way it snaps. This one, so that one's cool too. But yeah, I like this one. It reminds me. Ooh, my Tomy 1981 Pyramix is white with stickers. I just noticed that, so it sticks out on the shelf over there. And now I got a black one, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna take the stickers off this one. So yes, for $6.99, the price range 5 out of 5. I think kids will like this one, especially if you put a little lube in there. Yeah. Want me to do a song? Don't take me long. Oh my God! Today I was doing time on my Pyramix practicing. I got a 4.99. It was kind of like an outlier.
Look at you using big words.
You know, it was probably an easy scramble, and it was easy. As soon as I did something, I was like, oh wait a minute, bam, bam, and I was done. I was like, but I noticed it and I did it. It's still $4.99. So I was extremely happy about that. And my average is in the 20s now. So I'm doing a lot of 20s and 30s, and I'm getting some that are 15 and 16. So, all right, let's see if this is any good. Okay, go. Alright, bring that up, bring them back, bam, done. So, that wasn't long at all. And I was just, when I'm not on, okay, when I'm doing this, fine. When I'm on the timer, everything changes. I lock up, I get nervous. So when I'm on a timer and I'm trying to get a better time, it's a different horse that you're on. Here, you're on a nice calm horse. You're trotting along the field. The horse is listening to you. But once you get on the timer, forget about it. This is a wild horse. It's trying to bite you, trying to kick you. So whenever I'm on the timer, my times jump up. When I'm doing it just like this, I'm like, man, that must have been 15 seconds, and I took my time. And then as soon as I, what do you mean? Bam, 30, 40. I'm like, oh. But then I get used to it, and then it calms down. You know, it goes back to where it's normal. So, all right, so I got that one. That's enough for that one. Man, I'd be talking sometimes.
I've been trying to tell you.
All right, here we go. Ba-bam! The world's smallest Pyramix. No, I think it's a keychain. Qiyi Toys, man, come sponsor me. I love you guys. I would love to be sponsored by them. I love they're nothing fancy either, but they keep a consistent look to them. Oh, that's going on my bag. What's good about that's a little okay. That would have been nice if they would have poked a hole here and went through it. They got a little plastic thing here, and that's gonna. I probably won't be able to hang it. I'm probably going to stick it in my bag, and once I get to a tournament, and then I'll click it on. so it won't, because that's plastic. If you're traveling with that, that's gonna rip right off. But you can take that off and you can solve it. Look at that. So just say you got bored and you said, oh, I forgot all my keys. Oh, wait a minute, I got my keychain. So lift that up, bring them back over, and then I'm done. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Beginner's method on the Pyramix. I just learned how to solve a Pyramix 10 days ago. 5 out of 5 on this one too. I like it. And as you can see, I solved it without any problems too. Okay, so yeah, that's a 5 out. Oh, this is a good box here. Nice. And it came in, like I said, these Qiyi Toy Speed Cube boxes. And you notice these, because they always have like a little character there. A picture of the cube, and they have a window so you can see what you're purchasing. Yeah, these are nice boxes. I like these boxes. Alright, here we go. Alright, like always, they give us a card from
Digital.com.
and I always keep all my cards. And an invoice. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 items in here, and that's what I got for it. I buy so much stuff, I just can't keep track. Yeah! I'm gonna put that in my large cube collection. Ooh! Comes with a book. Did I order an extra book? Nice. It's all in Chinese. Let's see. The algorithms are in English, but the directions are in Chinese. Yeah, it has all their puzzles in one book. So that's cute. I like it. In plastic. Alright, they had to put it like this because that's how it fits in the box. But, ooh, yeah. It snaps. You see that? Moving around. I like when it snaps like that. I really do. Alright. You're going to have to learn some new finger tricks when you're done with this. So here we go. So far so good. I like the way it feels. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck. Bring it over, bring it down, and bam, you got it. That's how I solve the Pyramix. Alright, I got a giant Rubik's Cube, I got a giant Pyramix. I got a semi-giant FTO. This one is pretty big, as you can see if you compare it to another. It's really one more triangle bigger. This boxing right here is a 5 out of 5 for me, and it was one of the best unboxing that I did in a while. So that is all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Still stand tall, celebrating our country's 250th birthday. 250th of freedom on display. From the mountains to the shore.